How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be mail call and shout out. But before we do, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This channel will never ask you for a dime. And if I mention anybody in my videos, a link to the description is always below the video. In the little section down there, it says description, whatever it says, I don't know, but go find it. That's where it's at. All right, guys. All right, I got a shop card in today from old Vinny at Gemini Scale Model Works, guys. We did a shop card trade, and Vinny, I'm sorry, I just got your shop card in the mail just like a while ago. I've been meaning to, but I've been very busy. But guys, go check out Vinny. He's got an awesome channel. He needs the subscriptions. Get over there and sub to him. He is a great guy, and that is such an awesome card right there. His link will be in the description below, and he is a great model builder, let me tell you. All right, now then, the second part of this video is Mike from the Scale Outlaw on YouTube. He's been helping out a friend, I guess, from the family from the his model club there in I think it's Florida. Yeah, I think that's where he's at. And they've been needing help sell off a collection, so he's been selling models on an auction on Facebook, and it's Mini Scale Auctions on Facebook. And if you want more details, you need to go to Mike, and I will leave his link in the description below. That way y'all can go over there. And that auction is a great thing, let me tell you guys. For one thing, it's helping that family out that, you know, their late father died, whatever, you know, they need the money, they need to move these models. But let me tell you, you're getting a heck of a price. I went over there, and I will be buying more from there, believe me. And the deal I got here, oh my gosh, you couldn't get that on eBay and anywhere else, let me tell you. And I'll shut my mouth in a minute and show it to you. But I just want to stress, please get over there and check them out. And check out Mike too. He's got one heck of a channel. He's getting close to 1,000. He's creeping up there pretty quick. And let me tell you, he's building the Iceman's collection. He's building the Uncertainty. And he is doing a great job on that, let me tell you. I'd love to have one, but I got an original Uncertainty, so I probably won't buy one. But man, it's that Iceman collection one looks really good, and Mike's doing a great job, and he's doing a dang good job on Terry Sr.'s tribute build. He's doing a Cummins diesel Boot Hill Express. It's going to be with big old mud tires on it and everything and stuff, and that's going to be awesome. And speaking of Terry Sr., I've got his body painted right here on the four-wheel drive van right behind me. I still haven't finished on that, but I'm going to get there. I got his decals, got everything to go. And in the Porsche group build, I've got quite a bit of it done. I know I haven't made an update video or nothing, but I will. I've just not had much time, guys. I'm even so far behind on videos it ain't even funny, but bear with me. All right, guys. So with that being said, it's time to shut my mouth and show you what I got. This is one of my holy grail kits. I love big scale kits. I love anything to do with drag racing. Funny cars, dragster, especially vintage. I mean, vintage stuff. And guys, look at this. Hey, Jason from Blue Ox, look what I just got, bro. Never, ever been built. You look on eBay, they're wanting $350, $400 or more for these kits. This thing has never been touched, and let me tell you guys, I paid $100 for it. And yeah, a lot of people say it's still high. No, it ain't. It ain't high at all. Not at all. You can't hardly touch one 1/16 scale kit, and one that's been reissued 1,000,000 times for $100. So therefore, yeah, these have not been reissued. They're awesome, guys. That's why I say get over there, get to Mike's channel. He'll have a link. I'm not going to put that. That's Mike's channel. But get over there and go to Facebook. And guys, this thing is mint. It's never been touched. Everything's in there. Both dragster, funny car, decals, every part is accounted for. Still sealed in the bags. $100. And let me open this bag right here, and let's take this one out, and I'll just show you how nice and crisp. Look at that funny car right there. And I got the not Grumpy Toys, the Jungle Gym Vega build. I got the green elephant, and those are earlier Vegas, which this is like the 74 or 75, somewhere around in there, maybe 76. I don't know, Vega body. It's a different body. Man, that is nice. It's the Dom, I think Dom Perdome, the snake. Yeah, it's both his dragster and his funny car. So guys, I'm telling you, there's deals over there, and I've been watching. There's deals. I'm waiting for more of these to come up. I'll bid some more. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So guys, get over there, check it out. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything else I can say, but check out Mike, check out Benny. All right. And I'll get caught up on video soon. Love you guys. Bye.